My name is Danquil Ragan. I'm 14 years old. The empowerment I think it should be to invest with power, especially legal power or official authority. And the way that I feel about this program is very, very good. Teamwork. My experiences with this program is very, very good.
My name is Denzel Brooks. I'm 14 years old and I'm coming to you from Atlanta Police Athletic Department. And empowerment to me is the ability to supply faith and energy within someone else. And to me, examples of empowerment is the Digital Connectors program and how Miss Eboni teaches us about camcorders, cameras, PSAs, and programs to help us to continue with our lives with progress. And the Digital Connectors Club to me is a good program that helps everyone learn new things and how everyone appreciates everyone and they learn how to break PSAs, camcorders, and try to bring new things to our community. Well, one thing we're working on is the PSA about Atlanta Public Schools and the how the Asians and how they characterize other cultures and stuff. One idea I would include is that how that they think that all black Atlanta public schools, they think that all of them cheated on the CRCT because of all the erase marks.
Alright, my name is Tanisha Lyons. I'm 15 years of age. And empowered means to invest with power, especially legal power of authority. It also means to equip or supply with an ability. Empowerment means example of empowerment is managers empower their employees to make good decisions. Digital connectors means to me it's going good, it's great, it teaches me stuff like real life stuff. It shows me like cameras and tell me PSAs of people and stuff. We was like, okay, this is one time we talked about texting while driving. It was so fun. And also we learned how to we finna get into cameras and making like commercials or anything we decide and stuff. I really like it. And I like my teacher, Miss Eboni. She's funny. I'll give her a shout out.
Woo! Woo!
That's it.